But correlation is one key aspect where folks say whether you do it. But there are other capabilities of our system as well, which, to my surprise, customers love more. I used to think these problems are solved. The number one thing is no more, the selector becomes a single source of truth. One of our customers used this phrase, no more swivel chair. I don't have to go look at one dashboard to the other dashboard, this. I just look at one thing and you guys tell me everything. I don't have to go to Splunk, I don't have to go to metrics, I don't have to do any of that, right? So that's single source of truth. Democratization of data access. Anybody can look at that data and do things. They are able to make queries through Slack into their own data, right? Which they were, before Selector, they were not able to get access into their own data. Like some data was trapped into the firewall, like their load balancer stacks. All of that we made available through our system, right? I do believe we are one of the first cloud-native SNMP collectors, or a GNMI collector. I don't know of any products out there, a lot of open source, any product out there that gives you a Kubernetes-based SNMP or a GNMI collector, right? You have these products which are hardware-based. You have a lot of open source. Open source is hard to operationalize. It's good, but you cannot really deploy it at scale. So we are one of the first SNMP and GNMI cloud-native collector. Cloud-native, what I mean by cloud-native is Kubernetes-based, right? Front-end to ServiceNow. This is really interesting. As you can imagine, we have a customer who said that when an outage happens, I'm more afraid of the ServiceNow bill than the actual damage caused by the outage. What happens during an outage? Thousands of alerts fire, thousands and thousands of events fire. Each of those get into ServiceNow, and guess what? ServiceNow charges them on a per event basis, right? My ServiceNow bill is more than the bill of the outage, right? So we are used as a front end to ServiceNow, right? All of those events, we correlate, and we produce 2 or 3 ServiceNow incidents. We have an incident ITSM methodology. Those incidents get into ServiceNow. So they're like, okay, yeah, we'll use Selector as a ServiceNow front end. They use it for more, but this is the reason why they selected us.